Hello guys, today I am going to take Physics ICSE Chapter 4 for Class 10 and preparations for the board exam of 2024. Today we are going to see Chapter 4, Unit 2, Light, according to the ICSE syllabus. The speed of the light in the air and vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power of meter second, 8 meter second. The medium is said to be optically denser if the light slows down it. There will be an image given to you on the right hand side of the camera, and you can see the picture. The medium is said to be optically denser when the light slows down in it. A medium is said to be rarer if the light speeds up in it. When the medium is rarer, the light speeds, and when it is denser, the light slows down in it. When the light passes from the rarer to denser medium, its wavelength decreases. When the light passes from the denser to rarer medium, its wavelength increases. The light passes from denser to rarer, the wavelength increases, and whereas from denser medium to rarer medium, wavelength increase, and rarer to denser, wavelength decreases. In case of deviation of light while passing through a prism, the reflected ray inside the parallel to the base of the prism. These are the revision notes which is given by the textbook of class 10 ICSE chapter 4. We shall move on to the next mind map. These are the mind maps which is given in the book according to the syllabus of chapter 4 in physics, that is the light. They have given so many ray diagrams. Reflection of light are types of lenses: concave lens and concave lens. Terms related to length: center of curvature, principal axis, radius of curvature, optical center. Now, for center of curvature, the center of the sphere of which the lens is a part. An imaginary line joining the center of curvature of the two spherical surfaces is called principal axis. It is the radius of the sphere of which the lens is a part. And the optical center, define optical center, the appointment of the principal axis through which a ray is passed, a ray of light passes underrated, is called optical center. And these are the diagrams of concave lens and convex lens, and first focus of the concave lens and the second focus of the concave lens, and first focus of the concave lens and the second focus of the concave lens. And these are the other diagrams situated in this mind map. It is the view of the mind map, and we shall go to the diagrams. I shall just draw within the 2 minutes a diagram, and I shall explain you what is reflection of light. So guys, today I am going to say about the reflection of light through a rectangular glass box. So let me draw a diagram within 5 minutes, and I shall present you in the board, and I shall teach you or explain you. Give it 2 minutes time. So guys, the diagram is ready of the reflection of light through a glass box. So the diagram says that I'll just explain you. This is the diagram. I'm sorry for this distraction of light. This is coming on my board. Sorry for the disturbance of light which is here. Just come, let's see into the diagram. This is A dot line passes. This is air which is outside the rectangular glass box. It is the rectangular glass box. It is outside. The air is outside the rectangular glass box, and it is A. And the rectangular glass box is named as the alphabet P, Q, R, and S. So A, and on the outside of the rectangular glass box, it is a straight line. I have used my marker, so it is just slanting. And this is, when it comes inside, it is a dot structure, and it just goes outside. It is the direction of the incident ray going out. This is the direction of the incident ray going outside. Going outside. It's going outside. So it's going outside. This IR is the incident ray and RF is the reflected ray. And RF is the reflected ray, and M and N is the top side of the center of the top side of the rectangular glass, and M1 and N1 is the downside of the center of the rectangular glass. Here the center of the top side is O, that is Mn, and the downside M1 and N1 is the downside in the center. In the bottom this is the center, and in the top side this is the center. Hope we have understood till this part. Now we are going to see, after the incident ray, the reflected ray. Reflected ray starts from the same as the incident ray. It just enters here and it gets reflected from this surface. It just gets reflected from here and it just bends down and goes out. This is the reflected ray. This is the reflected ray. This is the reflected ray which goes out, which I have wrote that RF goes out, means the reflected ray goes out. After touching the surface of the glass box, it goes out. And as far as that, the M1 and N1 and the incident ray and the reflected ray, and GB is for the glass box, which as I just named it, glass box. And this is the air present outside, and that's all in this diagram. This is the reflection of the light through a glass box, and this is just a part 1 diagram. This is the part 1 of today's explanation, and this is only the reflection of a light through a glass bulb. This is my video, and I shall give you the pictures and the clear explanation in the above my real video. Thank you for watching, and hope you have understood my concept, and any doubts and comments, just contact me in the comment box. Thank you.